Okay, so this was really fun. Flying back from Oshkosh 2018, we literally circumvented strings of pretty intense thunderstorms. And as you can see, we're flying through them. Although, if I purely looked at the radar, I probably would have turned around. But there are many instances where you can literally see on all sides of a thunderstorm, and then obviously you can project their path and project your path and do the math. Not necessarily highly recommended, but in this case it wasn't too bad. It was obviously a lot worse looking on the screens than anything else. So we did this hop in 5 hours, landed in Pennsylvania, and then we took off again the next morning, and it was a tremendous flight all the way back. So it's pretty clear from this point on, once we pass these isolated cells, everything opens up nicely and the rest of the flight is perfect.